Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix Spotlight Search not working on MacBook and macOS Tahoe. Now, what you want to do is first, I'll show you two ways. Go ahead and open up your settings here, go to General, click on Software Update, make sure you don't have any updates, and if you have any, make sure you have installed them. So check for updates, install those. Then what I want you to do is actually come to the top left, click on your logo right here, okay? And then I want you to go right here to System Settings. Now, on the left-hand panel, you'll see Spotlight, okay? I want you to click on Spotlight, and then just make sure you scroll down, make sure they're all toggled on right here under Results from System, including apps. Usually, the issue is if apps is toggled off or any of these are toggled off, will not actually appear. So make sure at least apps is toggled on, and that should fix the issue. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.